what was the problem you were having that brought you to me?
I had pain constantly from the time that I had the knee replacement on. I had pain.
Where was the pain? What part of the knee?
It was a sharp pain in the inside of the kneecap. Underneath here and here,
Yes.
and sometimes on this side, it just, everything felt wrong.
So you knew something wasn't right.
Absolutely.
Did anyone listen or believe you?
No, he took x-rays and he said, the x-rays are fine. He said, everything looks perfect.
So what have you noticed different after the surgery?
My level of pain is, it's not there. I get up and I sit down and get in the car and get out of the car, and I really don't think about it.
But are there any activities that you're planning on this year that maybe you had given up on?
Travel. I love Costa Rica. The people are so wonderful. It's the friendliest people, and it's a beautiful country.